Right, so in my previous video we were looking at this clutch, and I think I've worked out how I can use this new clutch to fix my e-bike, the one where the clutch just lets go. We kind of discovered that there's some sort of magnet engagement of the claws for the drive, but when these are taken out, these bits here, this is locked in both directions, clockwise and anti-clockwise. So I actually came across a video last night where basically what someone's done is they've welded this to the shaft of the motor. So you basically, the motor's always engaged. So when you're accelerating, when you come off the acceleration, the motor will still be going. They did it for the purpose of regeneration. I'm doing it for the purpose of saving the e-bike. Whether or not it will have any detrimental effect on the speed controller or anything, I don't know. So that's what we're going to do this morning. So all I need to do is take these bits out, and then this back plate, we're going to put this back on. We're going to have to take these off, these wheels, sorry, these gears, because they're plastic. And then what we're going to do, we're going to weld this back plate back on. Try and get it flat, something like that. So yeah, we're going to weld that back on. So with the bits removed, this will still lock in both directions. So rather than having to weld this to the shaft of the motor and causing maybe even more damage, yeah, we can just use this. So that's what I'm going to be doing next. Alright, so let's try and get these little circlips off. I haven't got a removal tool, so I think I might try and weld with them on, believe it or not. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some welds in here. Let's just see how this goes. So we'll do the welds in here first. gone okay. Let's have a look. I'm going to do a bit more on that. Right, I think that will do. So then, this back plate to put on. Alright, let's go again. Right, that's the back plate on. That's the back plate on. Let's just zoom out of this. So, gear wheels are all alright. We didn't need to take them off in the end. And we've got this welded plate back on. And hopefully the gear, we've locked this solid in the middle. Try and get something in there. That is in place. So this can go back on the wheel. We'll take the old one out, put this one in, permanently engaged, and let's see what goes on. Lovely welds, eh? Not. Right, so the next thing we need to do is get the front wheel off and get the clutch installed. And then we can take the hub apart and get that in the hub. Right. Undo the V-brakes. Also unplug the hub motor. So doing this should give it regen charge, but we're not really after that. Well, not that's going to cause any problems, like I said earlier about the speed controller. I do not know. Anyway. It's a shame you can't get the clutches. I don't understand why they're all like bar-fang mid-drives that engage the wrong way around. If you're watching this video, you've probably come across the same problem. Right, let's pop that out. Right, here we go. So, same old process. These nuts need to come off. So yeah, that's engaging backwards. It's freewheel, but we can have permanent engaging. Let's get this nut off. These have got flats on the axle. Yeah, you can weld them to the axle. That's the video I watched, but the guy said if you don't get it welded on right, it's a bit of a nightmare to sort out. I'm going to keep the clutch off this in case we get any more problems. Might even take this one apart and see what's happened, but like I say, on that other one that I've taken apart, there's not much to look at really. It's hard to get inside. Let's see where the claws are. Right, so that's that. Then all we need to do is take these screws off the side of the hub. You've got to be very careful with the motor, because it's so magnetic it will just pick up anything off the floor, and you don't really want that. Right, so, oh, one screw there. Right, this one screws off, this should come off. That head is gone. Get it. Okay, so there's the inner and this is the clutch that's gone wrong. So I am going to pull that off, like so. Stick that there. This one on. And there we go. So it is permanently engaged. There's a bit of play there. It's playing where the locating pin is. So that is it. So yeah, the alternative is to weld this onto this shaft. I'm just looking at this now. Wouldn't really want to do it. I don't know how much space there is between here and that bearing. Right. back on. We need to do that. Get that on the flat. Right, that's that done up. Let's try again. That cap back on, reconnect the motor, match the arrows. Like that. Listen to the sound. Oh, put the light on. Right, I'm not convinced this is going to be smooth. I think let's switch it on. It might be easy to cycle this, so I'm going to cycle out. Right, that is it, fixed, believe it or not. What we can do, I can take you on a demo, but it's going to be rocky as anything. Let's take these gloves off. But yeah, I've tried it in, what was typical was in medium or even high to start with, pulling away on the pedal assist. This is pedal assist only, it's a UK bike. So pulling away on high or medium, it would engage the clutch and then ping off, and then it would engage again, but it was better at low speed. So yeah, I'll take you on a test, but like I say, it's going to be bumpy as anything. Right, so here we go. We're in, where are we? There. We're in low, so we're going to do pedal assist in low. That works well. Whoop. Let's do a start in high as well. If the weld's let go, it just freewheel. But yeah, there's no danger of the wheel locking and going over. Right, let's go. Good, it's fixed. So that is actually fixed now. That is a video on how to fix a clutch that's starting to go wrong on a front wheel hub of an e-bike. This one being a Zhongxing. So yeah, thanks for watching this. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, and I'll see you on another one.